This this is a very important message for people in Bengaluru and where we have a lot of water shortage. AC water can easily be collected, and this is a very unique way of collecting the AC water in a very smart, beautiful, and controlled manner where you can store 100 liters of AC water in a pipe. There's an overflow, and there's a tap. You can use it in many ways, especially mopping for your potted plants, for the car wash, for flushing, and especially places like Bangalore where there's a water shortage. We have to use every drop of water, and with the heat, definitely there will be more use of AC, and the air conditioning water it's very much like a distilled water, and it can be used aggressively. Please share this information. We have to conserve water before we consume. We need to respect water. Every drop of water matters. And today, it is the time for the nation, for the world to come together and protect the water. Please reuse, please collect and respect water. If you have any questions, please ask. We are always there to guide. And 5,000 of these are already installed across India. And we are looking forward to encourage this initiative. Thank you and Jai Hind.